Alexis Rosenberg and Ryan Brown. Or Ryan, there were two things that really spoke to me in the Commonwealth's case. One was the cell phone, the temperature, indicating that if you believed that testimony, that cell phone never went inside that house, and arguably, therefore, John O'Keefe didn't. And then you also have that piece of glass on his nose, indicating that he must have been hit by that, and that's what happened. Is that enough compelling evidence? Or is it compelling evidence?
Yeah, there's a couple things there. I think that the cell phone temperature evidence is more compelling than the glass evidence, but because, in order to believe anything other than that phone was outside for so long, you would have to believe that he left the phone outside, went in the house, and just never went back out to look for his phone, or if he did, never found it. And I think that's a much greater long shot for a jury to believe. As opposed to the glass. As a defense attorney, of course, we're going to ask, can you prove it's the same glass that came, that matches this? Is there, can you look under a microscope, tell if it's the same stuff? But a jury also understands that, hey, look, there's a broken glass, there's glass here, it's probably the same glass. That's good evidence for the Commonwealth, but I think that phone, when you can really have a chart, you can have this forensic, solid digital evidence that shows, look, this is a phone dropping in temperature, it's coming to the temperature that's outside, it's steadily dropping. Why else would his phone be outside cooling down like that? I think it's very powerful evidence for the Commonwealth.
Yeah, I agree with that.